Changing your payout method on Xero is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payments are set up correctly. Step 1. Log into your Xero account. Access your Xero account by entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct account that has the necessary permissions to change payout methods. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access various configuration options for your account. Step 3. Select Payment Services. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Xero to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your current payout method. Look for the current payout method you are using. Click on it to view the details and options available for editing or changing your payout method. Step 5. Update your payout method. Follow the prompts to enter your new payout method details. Make sure to save your changes once you have entered the new information to ensure it is updated in the system. After completing these steps, your payout method will be successfully changed. Always double check your new settings to confirm everything is correct.